I'm back. Guys, you know one of the things I don't get is why people in affiliate marketing make it seem like it's some secret society that's so elusive and only the top 1% can know about it. I know I'm probably blowing this out of proportion, but I seriously felt that way when I tried to figure out what affiliate marketing really was. Well, this is why this video is dedicated to all of you guys, all my Freedom All-Stars who are listening right now. We're gonna give you a crash course 101 on what affiliate marketing is at its most basic level, because it's really not that hard, the concept anyway. Over time it has evolved, and yes, it has turned into something else. Now, it's time to head back to the lab. No matter how hard people try to make affiliate marketing sound, it is truly simple. And I mean that wholeheartedly. So affiliate marketing is simply selling other people's products. Pat Flynn said it the best. He writes, affiliate marketing is the process of earning a commission by promoting other people's products. You find a product you like, promote it to others, and earn a piece of the profit for each sale that you make. Big ups, Pat Flynn. Now, with that being said, affiliate marketing is literally as simple as that. It's simply selling other people's products. That's it. So, your next logical question would be something like,
so Drew, how exactly does affiliate marketing work?
Affiliate marketing has been around forever, since the dawn of time. If you've ever made a referral for anything in life, you are at one point or another an affiliate marketer. The only difference was you most likely didn't get paid for the referral that you made. Perfect example. When the Black Panther came out, now depending when you're watching this video, it was recently released earlier this year. Black Panther was one of the hottest movies that came out in a long time. And for me personally, I'm a comic book fan. I love Black Panther. I enjoyed the movie thoroughly. And the first thing that I did was to go out and tell somebody about it. I went to my friends and said, hey, if you ever want to watch anything remotely close to action, has, you know, the jokes and everything in there, you've got to watch Black Panther. That's exactly how I pitched it to them. The good thing about it is if they have enough trust in you and they know you as a person, they have that relationship with you, they are more inclined to go ahead and take your word for it and then go and probably go watch the movie. So, but when they do that, you've officially made a sale for the producers and the directors and for that theater itself, but the only difference is you did not get paid. Affiliate marketing can happen with anything, and I mean anything. If I just got a new pair of shoes and they feel super comfortable when I'm at the gym and someone says, hey, are those shoes comfortable? I'm like,
the most comfortable shoes I've ever had in my life, man.
And what they're gonna think is,
you know what? I've been thinking about that. I think I'm gonna go grab that.
The only difference is you didn't get paid. You know, if you go to your favorite restaurant, you recommend it to a friend. You know, it's the same idea, same concept. The only difference is here, when you're doing affiliate marketing online, you're finding a way to get paid for each referral that you make. And of course, that's the simplicity of affiliate marketing. So to boil it all down, essentially when you're an affiliate marketer, you're the connect, you're the middleman. You're the one who connects somebody to a solution to a problem that they have. It gets a little bit more intricate when you start to think about digital affiliate marketing. When you're online presenting digital products or services to someone online, you have to capture their attention. You have to, well, first off, you have to find a product that's going to solve somebody's problem, find the people who has these particular problems, get enough eyeballs in front of the product that you're trying to sell to those people with problems, and successfully warm them up enough to get a sale. All these things take practice, and they take learning, and they take skill, and you have to take the time out to educate yourself about the psychology of buying, the psychology of, you know, customer acquisition. That's so important, because if you don't understand how we as human beings are so curious individuals and how we like to click on things that catches our attention or makes us wonder, you are already at a loss, especially if you're doing affiliate marketing online. Now your next question is probably,
yo Drew, where do you find these affiliate marketing opportunities?
Well, these opportunities can be found anywhere, really literally anywhere. So many companies online offer affiliate programs that it's insane. And it's free to join most of them. If you find any of them that requires you to pay, I need you to leave a comment or just send me a message showing me that, because it's most likely, and if not, you know, we can learn together on that one. I'll take it out. But most likely they're all free, okay? And big name companies like Amazon, which is the biggest one in the world. Amazon, Nike, Adidas, any of these name brands that you know very well, even Walmart, like these stores that just would love people to go out and be the middleman for them and to allow people to be connected to products that they need in their lives. And so keeping that in mind, you understand now how the idea is simple, but attracting the customers is not. And it's really gonna be difficult if you're not understanding how the human psyche works.
But Drew, I want to be an affiliate marketer too. Where do I find a product?
You can find a product either by contacting someone who has a product that can solve somebody else's problem, or you can join an affiliate network. And affiliate networks, popular ones such as ClickBanks, CJ Affiliates, Max Bounty, JV Zoo, these affiliate networks will have a plethora of choices for you to pick from of products organized in categories such as health and wellness, financial services, digital marketing and advertising, anything that these people, that they know customers may need or buyers may need to solve an issue that they may have. So going to those networks is an awesome place to start. I started with ClickBanks and I found amazing products that you can give to people. And one of my favorite ones is the health and wellness niche, because it allows people to, you know, who doesn't want to feel good? Who doesn't want to be healthy? Who doesn't want to live their best life? So affiliate networks in general is an aggregate of products. It's usually a website. Like, let's talk about ClickBanks, for example. This perfect example is very popular. It's a large website that has a plethora of digital material and also physical products where you can go and scroll through per category and pick one that you know a little bit about. So for myself, I have a history as being a nurse. I'm an RN by trade, and that's what I do. And so I would stick to the health and wellness niche, because in that niche, I am well versed. I know that I understand the workings of the body and the mechanics, and I know some things that people may struggle with on a daily basis based on the things that I've seen throughout my career. People being overweight, people having trouble trying to keep the weight off if they lost it, if they did it properly. What is, intermittent fasting, which is a really hot topic as well, and how to unlock your hip flexors. Like these are amazing things that people need access to, but they don't, because the word is not getting out. And that's our job as affiliate marketers, to get the word out there. And so what I do is I hone in. I'm like, okay, well, if I had weight issue problem, which one of these products would be the best for me? And not only that, there's data that shows exactly which ones sell the best, which ones are marketed the best, which means a lot, especially when you're going to affiliate for them. And in this essence, you're associated with that company for that amount of time that you're delivering information about that product or service, saying, hey, you should get this product because it solves your problem. But you also have to understand, not doing it for the commission, but doing it because it will genuinely help someone. And that is my goal in affiliate marketing.
Okay, Drew. So I want to be an affiliate marketer right now. How do I start?
So if you want to start to become an affiliate marketer today, down below I have a free cheat sheet that I created. It's called the Affiliate Marketing 101 Crash Course, and it's made for people and viewers like you. If you're new to affiliate marketing and have absolutely no idea what it is a simple, easy to read cheat sheet that I made, so that way you don't have to really wonder anymore, what is this affiliate marketing thing about? Okay, it's an awesome way to kind of get your quick definitions of what they are, what different things means in this entire industry. It's been around for a while. Don't let people confuse you anymore. So go down below, click on the link below, and just let me know that you got it by commenting affiliate marketing. Okay, so that way I know that you guys are interested, you got the cheat sheet, and that all the efforts didn't go to waste, guys. Also, we talk a lot about affiliate marketing in my private Facebook group. If you want to join, there's a link below. If you click on it and click join, we'll have somebody accept you in immediately, and then you can start asking questions. You can start engaging with everybody that's in the group. They have, you know, some people who are brand new and some people with experience, and I'll be in there answering every question that I can. If you have anything, just tag me in it and I'll answer the question, you know, the best I can, and we can work through it. And what I want to do is create a community where everybody's learning about affiliate marketing. Remove the veil, remove the, you know, making it sound complicated so we can keep most people out. I'm trying to make it a free game for everybody. There's no reason why this should be. There's plenty of pie for everybody to eat. So if you guys like videos like these where I go into affiliate marketing a little deeper, I have plenty of topics that I want to talk about that I've been organizing for over the past few months that I feel like had confused me for a little bit, but I also want to know what confuses you. What questions do you have that you think you might need or want me to go over or make a video about? I will do that. Just go ahead and leave a comment below, guys. And don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace!